Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are making the Cosmopolitan. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we will be gathering these ingredients. Vodka, I have here, Hanger 1. Triple sec, I have here, Heron Walker. Cranberry juice, and a lime. 4 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a martini glass, a jigger, and a knife. First step, let's roll our lime. Cut the lime in half. Next, cut a lime wheel for the garnish. Set the limes aside. Grab your cranberry juice, open it. We will be pouring 1 ounce of cranberry juice into the shaker. Now take your triple sec, open it. We will be pouring 1/2 ounce of triple sec into the shaker. Grab your vodka, open the bottle. We will be pouring 1 1/3 ounce of vodka into the shaker. Take your lime here and squeeze half of it into the shaker. Add some ice into the shaker. Close the lid and shake your drink. From here, pour your drink into the glass. And the last step is to garnish with a lime wheel. And there you go, my friends, a Cosmopolitan. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.